What's up, YouTube? Crypto Muse here. Breaking news: Bitcoin Private is now trading live on KuCoin. We all knew the price was going to be volatile, and as you can see right now, there is a battle between the bidders and the sellers with a huge spread of more than $35. Currently, the ask price is $260, and the bidding is starting at $224. This is always a really interesting time, and I don't know if a lot of you guys know this, but there's something called market makers, where people basically even at the cost of their portfolio will oftentimes bid up the price, and then at the same time there's people on the other side who are trying to bid down that price to accumulate more. Right, so it's always an interesting time. Unfortunately, the chart on KuCoin at the moment isn't working, so it's hard to see where we are and how these prices are trending with volume as well. But I do know that I believe a coin traded at an all-time high of 800, went down to 500, and right now it's stabilizing between $200 and $300, which for me is good news. I purchased my Z Classic coins around $75 to $95, so I'm sitting on a comfortable margin. However, I may offload some within the upcoming days, but it's still to be determined. One of the things I always look at in terms of this is volume. And of course, right now it's you'd have to add up the volume manually. You can see that about 30 Bitcoins have been traded, but I like to see, there's something called volumetric analysis, which you can see at which price points are people selling and of course are people buying. So I'm going to wait it out for the next couple of days to kind of see where everything ends up before I make a final decision. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how and when you guys are going to sell, what price you guys think Bitcoin Private will settle at within the next couple of days. If you liked this video, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you haven't claimed your Bitcoin Private yet and you are a Z Classic holder, please make sure to watch my other video where I detail basically how to redeem your Z Classic forked Bitcoin Private tokens from your Bitcoin Private wallet. And hit that subscribe button. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing one free giveaway of a Bitcoin Private token. Stay tuned for next time.